This process works the same for both the 3 and 5 knob washer. The Start/Pause button on your Maytag washer. First, there are two modes to wake up your washer. You can turn the cycle knob or press the power button. Both modes will illuminate the sense status light on the washer to confirm it is on. Ensure the indicator is in line with a cycle. If the knob is not on a cycle selection, the washer won't start. Next, how to start/pause a cycle. Press and hold the Start/Pause button for 1 to 3 seconds or until all status lights are illuminated. To pause the cycle after it is started, press the Start/Pause button. This will pause the cycle. Turn off the lid lock light and unlock the lid. To restart the cycle, press the power button 1 to 3 seconds until all lights are illuminated and then go out, and the sense light stops blinking. To cancel a cycle, hit the power button. This will turn off all status lights and start to drain the unit.